Today is lesson 101. We are changing the brake pads on Joan's bike. My bike is right here, and we'd like to say thank you to Njeru who gave us the toolkit. So thank you. And Joan.
So yes, after I think over 22,000 kilometers now, I need to change my rear brake pads. We discovered in Uyuni that they were finished, but I was hesitant to change them in Uyuni. But coming down to La Paz, I learned my big lesson that I should listen to those most of the times, because it was very, very steep and I had nothing at the back, but we made it. So I watched a bit of YouTube on how to do this. I won't lie about that. And then I have the supervision of this handsome gentleman here. And to help where I will not know what to do with advice. So today he's my teacher, besides being my husband. Number one is the pin. Yeah, got it out. It's called a lock pin. And then after the lock pin, I need to hit this rod that holds the one that holds the brake pads together. So there we go. Gently. It's out. So I have it out. Always keep your tools. Then the next thing is to push this thing to release the brake pads. One is already out. Okay, hold that. Oh. Thank you for your help also. So I want to say that yes, it was very wrong of me to even insist ride this bike with these pads. This was taking a huge risk. I'll bring them close for you to see. They're completely worn out.
See, I've been walking down this road for about 37 years now, and I can tell you it's been one hell of a ride. And I've been carrying my father's words that he said to me: learn to be wise, walk with integrity, and be honest. And I can hear my grandma say, child, I've got nothing to give to you, but may God be with you in that distant land. Yeah. I am an African girl. Well, I know where I'm coming from, and I know who I want to be. I am trying to defy.
So they say before you put back the rod, you make sure your brakes are pressed tight. So just please help me. There. Like do. Do they feel tight enough?
whispering, Guayabito, when you go to the land, please represent us well. I can hear my grandma say, child, I've got nothing to give to you, but may God be with you in that distant land. Hey. I'm an African girl. Well, I know where I'm coming from, and I know who I want to be. I'm trying to defy everything they said about us, we who have chocolate skin. So I will sing, I will sing, I will sing. And I know who I want to be. I am African girl. Well, I know where I'm coming from, and I know who I want to be. See, I've been walking down this road for about 37 years now, and I can tell you it's been one hell of a ride. And I've been carrying my father's words that he said to me, learn to be wise, walk with integrity, and be honest. And I can hear my grandma say, child, I've got nothing to give to you, but may God be with you in my distant land. Hey. I am an African girl. Well, I know where I'm coming from, and I know who I want to be. I am trying to defy everything they said about us, we who have chocolate skin. In the back of my mind, all I can hear are the voices of those who are here, those who've already gone. I can hear them whispering, Guayabito, when you go to the land, please represent us well. I can hear my grandma say, child, I've got nothing to give to you, but may God be with you in that distant land. Hey. I am an African girl. Well, I know where I'm coming from, and I know who I want to be. I am trying to defy everything they say
My knees are hurting. I have done it. Ah. So nice. You're taking everything back. Brake pads. My YouTube lesson really worked well, so I didn't have issues. My first item to do, and I think the next thing I will do will be the service of the bike, because now I don't think we need to use the warranty, do we?
Yeah.
Okay, we are still in the warranty, so there will be no servicing for me. But after the warranty is done, I'll be the one servicing my own bike. It took me 20 minutes, I think, at most. I didn't time. I should have timed myself to see how long it takes. But I think it took about 20 minutes to do everything. Thank you so much again to Jero for the toolkit he gave us. Today we've been able to try the changing of the brakes and the tools he gave us for the brake pads.
Thank you for having an awesome husband.
Yes. I mean, moral support besides everything else, because when I said I'll do this, he said go and learn how to do it. But yeah, he sat with me all through, and he has helped put the lock pin back which I think was what was difficult for me, to find the hole, like hit that thing from behind.
Thank you to the dog Dinky.
Oh, thank you to Dinky. And this wasn't a messy job. It's not a messy job. That's the most dirt I got, which is not dirt, it's more beautiful. It's like